If your dashboard gets messy, out of sync, or you simply want to start over, TrueView makes it easy to give yourself a fresh start. This can be especially helpful if you skip the automatic onboarding process when you first signed up, or if you've fallen behind and want TrueView to reorganize everything for you again. To reset your setup, go to the Settings page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on the three-dot ellipsis next to your account, and click Reset Setup. You can choose to either reset your account with your current linked financial institutions or completely start fresh and relink those as well. TrueView will then reset up your account for you. TrueView will analyze your past transactions and rebuild your default setup automatically. It will reorganize your money into the default buckets, find recurring bills and create your bill schedule, set up your automations for your bills, and put past transactions in the appropriate buckets. This gives you a clean starting point without needing to manually rebuild everything yourself. Sometimes the easiest way to move forward is simply to reset and start fresh. Once the setup finishes, you can continue using TrueView with a cleaner, more organized starting point.